Hello everyone, and kumusta ang mga Aquarius dyan? This is your general forecast for December 2024. We will look into the energies for you this month at anong mga advice cards ang gustong ibigay ng universe para sa'yo. Kung bago ka sa channel na ito, ang goal natin dito ay magbigay ng guidance using the light from above para may positive energies ng lahat. Alright, so these are your spread. Aquarius, there are some things in the past that you let go of. There are some things na hindi magandang habits that you are letting go, and maganda yon because this is giving you, opening you to new opportunities sa iyong future. Because I can see that in December 2024, you are guided by the inspiration that you have. You are guided by this some kind of guidance from from the universe na ito yung para sa iyo, this is what you should be doing. And nagkakaroon ka ng, alam mo, minsan kahit pagod ka na, pero parang nagkakaroon ka ng lakas, ng energy to really do things because binibigyan ka ng hope, nabibigyan ka ng some kind of inspiration to move forward because ito yung nangyayari pagka you are removing negativity from your life. Aquarius, you also have this certain situation in December 2024 wherein sometimes may isang tao na there are some people kasi na parang maybe nagkaroon ka ng konting tampo or konting kaalitan na minsan pagka they are contacting you, they may be trying to reach out, ganyan, ikaw yung medyo ayaw. So there's just a situation, no, but know that hindi naman just know that, okay? Ayoko siyang pangunahan. Let's just know that may mga ganyang situation. Your advice card is the Hangman in reverse. You have to see what is right or wrong. You have to identify what is right or wrong. You have to see in yourself na kailangan mong magkaroon ng konting ma-identify minsan yung mga bagay na hindi mo pinapansin. Kung ano ba, tama ba to for me? Should I be doing this or that? Kumbaga, you may be questioning, you may find yourself questioning a lot of things in your life. So, okay lang yun. Pag may mga bagay na dumarating sa buhay mo, questionin mo, tingnan mo, kailangan ko ba ito sa buhay ko? Kailangan ko ba bang i-continue na gawin to sa buhay ko? Kailangan ko ba bang magkaroon ng pagkakataon na magkaroon ng konting pag-iisip bago gawin ng isang bagay? Do that because hindi ka naman hindi ka naman nabaguhan. Marami ng ikaw ang experience sa buhay mo, Aquarius, and you just have to trust yourself. Okay? And then everything na magagawa mo ngayon, everything na choices na gagawin mo, hindi mo na mararamdaman mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka na baguhan, hindi ka na beginner. Kumbaga, may mga natutunan ka na sa past mo eh. So you are learning from that, and that is what you need to carry forward. That is what you need for yourself, na magkaroon ng konting kumpiyansa sa sarili and to learn from the mistakes in the past. Okay? So, kuha na tayo ng advice cards mo. If you resonate with this reading, please let me know by liking this video or commenting down below. And subscribe to Hula Juan and share this reading to others. Alright? Okay. So, unahin natin ang love. Okay? Ang first advice card mo is love. It's not about finding love. You are love itself. Help me, dear Lord, to send so much compassion and caring to the inner child that I always remember. I myself am love. So minsan ang hirap magkaroon ng pakiramdam sa sarili that you have to be yourself. You have to be saan mo iuhugot yung kindness, no? Lahat naman, ikaw naman ay gawa ng Panginoon. So, you have that in you to be nice. Okay? Next is mugwort, rites of passage. May mga pagkakataon na parang Kailangan mo lang siyang gawin, kailangan mo lang siyang pagdaanan. You just go with the flow. Okay? Dreams of abundance. As you sleep, God, your angels, and your higher self are giving you divinely guided ideas, answers, and solutions. Be sure to record your dreams in a journal because they will contain valuable insights that will help you manifest your desires into reality. Okay? So, be very observant din sa mga binibigay sa inyo ng universe, ni God. Okay? So that is your reading, guys. That's your forecast, and don't forget to follow or subscribe, and always remember na sa lahat ng gagawin mong intention, ng desisyon, dapat mabuti ang iyong intention. See you sa next reading.